Best wine glass rack are with stylish storage. A wine glass rack not only displays your glasses beautifully but also saves space. It ensures each glass is stored securely, reducing the risk of damage. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or a casual drinker, a well-organized collection is a must. List number 1. 10-inch under cabinet. Transform your kitchen or bar with the Aliexpress 10-inch under cabinet wine glass rack. This sleek and stylish set of 2 holders provides a perfect space-saving solution for storing stemware. Crafted in elegant black, it complements any decor effortlessly. Installation is easy, making it a great choice for any wine lover. Enjoy organized, accessible, and beautifully displayed glassware. A practical addition to enhance your home ambience. Advantages. Elevates kitchen and bar organization with sleek design. The Aliexpress wine glass rack adds elegance to any space. Maximizes storage by utilizing under-cabinet space efficiently. Perfect for small kitchens or bars with limited room. Easy installation ensures quick setup without hassle. No need for complicated tools or expertise. Durable construction holds glasses securely. Protects your valuable stemware from accidental damage. Versatile style complements various interior decors. A stylish addition to both modern and traditional settings. List number 2. Wine glasses rack. Elevate your kitchen with the Mocha wine glasses rack. Perfect for organizing stemware under cabinets. For rows offer ample storage, keeping your glasses accessible and tidy. Crafted from durable wire, it's designed to fit any kitchen or bar space seamlessly. Enjoy a clutter-free countertop and easy access to your favorite wine glasses. Advantages. Elevate your kitchen with a sleek wine glass holder. The Mocha wine glasses rack fits neatly under cabinets. Save precious counter space with its smart design. Easy installation ensures a hassle-free setup. Keep your glassware organized and within reach. Perfect for busy kitchens or bars. No more searching for the right glass. Everything is stored neatly in one place. Impress guests with a tidy, stylish display. This rack shows off your glass collection. Ideal for entertaining or casual get-togethers. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Made from strong materials to support your glasses. No worries about wear and tear over time. A practical gift for wine lovers and hosts. Thoughtful and useful for any occasion. Enhance any kitchen or bar setup easily. List number 3. Fish 4 packs 12-inch. Transform your kitchen or bar area with the Aliexpress wine glass racks. These racks offer a stylish way to display your stemware. Each pack includes 4 12-inch racks, perfect for under-cabinet installation. Crafted from durable wire, they ensure your wine glasses are safely held. Easy to install, these racks add a touch of elegance to any space. Ideal for keeping your glasses organized and within reach. Advantages. Transform your kitchen or dining space with sleek wine glass racks. These racks offer a tidy solution for storing stemware. Enhance your decor effortlessly. They add a touch of elegance to any room. Perfect for showcasing your wine glasses stylishly. Save space with under-cabinet installation. Free up counter space and keep glasses within easy reach. Ideal for compact kitchens. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Made from sturdy materials, they hold glasses securely. Dependable and practical. Easy installation makes setup quick. Comes with all necessary hardware for mounting. No hassle, just convenience. List number 4. Dreamer 14-inch black wine. Transform your kitchen with the Red Dreamer 14-inch black wine glass rack. Perfect for organizing and displaying stemware. This under-cabinet holder saves space while adding a touch of elegance. Made from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting use. Easy to install and fits most standard cabinets. Comes in a set of 2 for added convenience. Advantages. Elegant design enhances your space. The sleek black finish adds sophistication. Perfect for any kitchen decor. Maximize storage space. Efficiently organizes wine glasses under cabinets. Frees up counter space. Easy installation process. Quick to set up. No complicated tools required. Durable and long-lasting. Crafted from high-quality materials. Built to withstand daily use. Protects stemware from damage. Securely holds glasses. Prevents accidental drops and breakage. List number 5. Brothers 2PK Single Rail Wine. Enhance your kitchen's elegance with the Deco Brothers Wine Glass Stemware Rack Holder. This stylish chrome holder offers convenient storage for wine glasses. Easy installation ensures quick setup, fitting seamlessly under cabinets. The 2-pack design provides ample space for your collection. Perfect for organizing and displaying stemware with a touch of sophistication. Ideal for both casual and formal settings. Advantages: Elegant design complements any kitchen or bar setting. Stylish and simple. Easy installation saves time and effort. User-friendly setup. Durable chrome finish ensures long-lasting use. Resists wear. Space-saving design frees up cabinet space. Organized storage. Fits most stemware sizes for versatile use. Perfect for various glasses.